Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mister. My name is Diki Jula Pratama, number absent 10. Here I explain about the narrative text. What is a narrative text? A narrative text is a type of the text that tells a story or series of events with the purpose to entertain the readers or listener. It usually comes in the form of fairy tales, fables, legend, myths, or folk stories. Next, from the structure narrative text. Five the narrative structure of narrative text: orientation, complication, evaluation, resolution, and coda. Next, for the what is orientation? Orientation, the beginning of the story that introduce the character setting up for time and place. Function to give background information to readers. Example: once upon a time in a small village, there lived a king girl named Snow White. Next, for the complication. What is the complication? Complication, the part where the problems or conflict start to appear. Function to make the story interesting and create suspense. For the example, one day her stepmother, the evil queen, become jealous of Snow White's beauty and planned to get rid of her. Next, for the evaluation. What is evaluation? Evaluation, the part that give comments, reaction, or emotional response to the conflict. Function to the emphasize the importance of the problems or describe the character's feeling. Example: Snow White was very scared and ran deep into the forest. She didn't know where to go and felt very helpless. Next, for the resolution. What is the resolution? Resolution is when the story finishes and everything makes sense to the reader. This is the final part of the story and the main problem is fully resolved. Readers see how the character feel and have changed. For the example, finally the prince found Snow White and woke her a true love kiss. They lived happily ever after. The last is coda. What is coda? Coda, the closing part that usually contains a moral lesson or message from the story. Function to give readers something to learn from the story. The story, for the example, the story teaches us that jealous only brings harm, while kindness brings happiness. And lastly, there's consolation from the narrative text. Consolation from the narrative text. A narrative text is a story written to entertain readers and sometimes to give a moral lesson. A structure consists of orientation, complication, evaluation, resolution, and coda, which together make the story meaningful and enjoyable. Okay, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Mr. and friends who have watched this video. Hopefully, what I have explained can increase understanding understanding of a narrative text. That's all can say I apologize for the any shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.